Welcome. Hi friends. Today we will continue the topic human digestive system. So in part 1 we have learned mouth, esophagus and stomach. Now in part 2 we will learn about small intestine, large intestine and anus. So first let us start with small intestine. So first let us start with small intestine. So small intestine, it is also called as small bowel. It is the longest portion of our digestive system. It is 6 meters long and it is located at the middle of the abdomen. Now this is the small intestine. It is located at the middle of the abdomen. So it is 6 meters long and it is the longest portion. So this is the longest portion. So we have learned that in here the chyme is there. So here it is called chyme, and when it moves down it enters into the small intestine. So now we have completed small intestine. So now let us understand about digestion and absorption in small intestine. So now here this is the pancreas, right? What is this? This is the pancreas. It is very small. This black, I am doing this one. Okay friends, this is the pancreas. Okay, this is the pancreas. So then it also releases some juices. What are they? Pancreatic juice contains enzymes. What are they? Pancreatic amylase, lipase and trypsin. So pancreatic amylase, it converts starch into sugar. Okay, so lipase converts fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Now trypsin acts as proteins that were not digested. So we have learned that P for protein and P for pepsin. Protein and pepsin. Now the protein which is not digested by the pepsin, that is digested by the trypsin. Okay, so this protein is digested by this one and then this one. So then now this was released by what? This was released by the pancreas. Now the small intestine also releases some juices. What are the enzymes? What are the trypsin? So trypsin, it digests proteins into amino acids, and the digestion of proteins is completed over here. So here one more is trypsin. Protein, pepsin, trypsin and trypsin. So these all are the enzymes. Now our small intestine also releases some sugar splitting enzymes. So what are they? Maltase, lactase and sucrase. Maltase, lactase and sucrase. So maltase converts maltose into glucose, and lactose converts lactase into glucose. Now sucrase galactose, lactose into galactose. Now sucrase converts sucrose into fructose. So now the digestion is completed. So this here the digestion is completed in the small intestine. Okay friends, digestion is completed over here. So now we ate the food. Why do we eat the food? We eat the food because we should get energy. So the digestion is completed, but it needs to be absorbed. So the surface area of the small intestine is not sufficient to absorb all the nutrition that our body needs. So in the small intestine there are many folds, many coils like this folds. This one. So these are the coils present in the small intestine. So the inner walls of the small intestine has many folds. What are they called? They are called villi. So these folds contain some microscopic finger-like projections called villi. So this villi also contains some many folds. It also contains many folds. So what are they called? They are called microscopic villi. So this is the small intestine. This is the villi and these are the microvilli. Okay, normal villi, this is microvilli and these are the villi. Okay friends, so then now the digestion was completed. So these absorb the nutritions. So they absorb, what do they absorb? They absorb food and water. So each villi, now we have learned that each villi has many microvilli. So it also has some blood vessels. So these blood vessels transports nutrition to all parts of the body. So absorbed nutritions transport food nutritions to different parts, that is utilized by the build proteins and other complex substances. This is called assimilation. Okay friends, so then this is about the small intestine. So we have completed the small intestine. So then what is our next one? Our next one is large intestine. So large intestine. Okay friends, now here in the small intestine all nutritions all were digested, but all nutritions and all were digested in the small intestine. Okay friends, but in the but some are left. So what do we do? After all the useful and digestive nutrients have been absorbed during the digestive process, a mixture of water and undigestible waste such as the fibers, which is called the so it helps us in the bowel movement and in getting rid of the waste. Okay friends, so then the mixture moves into the upper part of the large intestine. So this is the upper part of the large intestine. So what is this called? It is called the colon. What is it called? It is called the colon. Upper part, large intestine is called as colon. Okay friends, so what does this colon do? So the colon is primarily responsible for absorbing water and some remaining salts. So the undigested food was is coming into large intestine, but in the large intestine some food is left that our body needs. Okay, so this is absorbed by the colon. So in the from this mixture, so the remaining matter compacts into dense bundle known as feces. So the dense bundle means dense bundle, B-U-N-D-L-E bundle. What is it called? It is called as, what is it called? It is called as feces. F-A-E-C-E-S. F-A-E-C-E-S. Feces. Okay friends. So this feces and reaches the rectum. So the large intestine has a tiny tube with closed end. What is it called? It is called as appendix. So it does not do any digestion. It does not play any role in the part of the digestion. But if it gets so it does not seem to do anything. It can however cause problems if it gets infected, and then it needs to be removed. So what happens when this appendix get infected? We may get so much of stomach pain, and we will be suffering from the stomach ache. So we will feel very uncomfortable. So then after the food is digested, now I have completed this large intestine. Now after the food is digested, what undigested food, some undigested food is also left. So what does it, what should it do? So this large intestine passes the undigested food to the anus. Okay. So it is finally removed. How it is removed? It is removed through the anus by the process called as egestion. So the process of removing the undigested food from our body, it is called as egestion. So the process of taking in food, the process of taking in food through the mouth is called as ingestion, that we have learned in part 1. Ingestion. And what do we do through anus? What do we do? What does the anus perform? It performs egestion. So egestion. E-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. So this is egestion, the process of taking in food and the process of removing out the undigested food. So it marks the end of the digestive process in the digestive tract. So we have completed all the 6 processes of our digestive system. So friends, I hope you have understood it very clearly, and if you have not seen the part 1, please see it, and it is the continued one, that is the part 2. So please like, share and subscribe our video, and please click on the bell icon too. Bye friends.